Samsung Galaxy G10 is a new upcoming company's Android smartphone. The new Android is a part of the company's latest G series and joins the Samsung mid-budget phone portfolio in the country. According to the latest rumors, the phone will go on sale by the end of the year 2019. The main highlighted feature of this phone is the stylish metallic heatsink body, which gives you the perfect ultimate gaming experience. The beautiful RGB notification lights, dedicated cooling fans are integrated with the side panels, and there is one separate battery low indicator. The phone is also having the punch hole 23 megapixel secondary camera. A great gaming smartphone combines top-end hardware with software optimization designed to deliver the fastest, smoothest gaming experience possible. Well, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is a great gaming phone, but it has not been designed for a real gamer, so that it can be disappointed on extreme gaming. According to a report, Samsung is working on the design of its gaming phone. It can be the best gaming phone with the attractive design, custom chamber cooling system, large heatsink on the back, and IP67 water resistant. There can also be a wireless charging system. The dual nano SIM Galaxy G10 runs on Android 9 Pie. The phone sports a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus screen with 19.6:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, coupled with up to 6 or 8 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy G10 comes with a tetra rear camera setup, which houses 48 megapixel primary shooter, a 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 12 megapixel depth camera. Additionally, the company has packed 23 megapixel punch-hole selfie shooter. Among other specifications, the new Galaxy G10 packs up to 128 GB/256 GB of onboard storage with a micro SD card slot, a rear fingerprint sensor, and a massive 4200 mAh non-removable battery. The other connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and 4G LTE. So far, officially no announcement has been made about the price of Samsung Galaxy G10 by the company, but we can estimate the cost of G10 from other gaming smartphones already available in the market. Looking at the price of Asus gaming device, the Asus ROG phone with 128 GB internal storage is priced at $899, while the 512 GB of internal storage model is priced at $1,099. Then, for the starting model, the expected price of Galaxy G10 would be $949 in US. According to the rumors, the Samsung Galaxy G10 will be available later this year, while Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be launched in August. This Samsung Galaxy G10 phone will be released in fourth quarter. Friends, that's for this video. If you guys find this video useful or interesting, then a like is appreciated. Also turn on that post notification so that you will be notified when my videos go live for you. Bye.